Want to customize workflows in Process.st to streamline your processes and boost productivity? You've come to the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to customize workflows in Process.st, even if you're just getting started with the software. Stick around until the end because I'll share a tip that can save you time and effort and give you access to an exclusive extended free trial. Let's jump right into it. First, what's great about customizing workflows in Process.st is how simple and intuitive the platform is. Whether you're managing a small project or coordinating across multiple teams, creating customized workflows gives you more control, consistency, and efficiency. To get started, open Process.st and either create a new workflow or select an existing one to customize. Once you've selected your workflow, you'll see the workflow editor. Here's where all the magic happens. The editor lets you add or remove tasks, set up templates, and define specific steps for each process. You can easily drag and drop tasks within the workflow to reorder them, making it simple to rearrange steps without wasting any time. This is great for those quick adjustments when your process changes or when you're optimizing an ongoing project. Next, let's talk about task customization. You can add custom fields to any task. This is a powerful feature because it allows you to tailor each task to your unique needs. For example, if you're managing a marketing campaign, you can add fields like budget, target audience, or ad copy approval status. Custom fields are fully customizable, giving you flexibility to track anything specific to your process. Another cool feature is the use of dynamic data. With Process.st, you can create conditional logic within workflows. For instance, if one task is marked as complete, it can automatically trigger the next step or even send notifications to the team. This takes away the need for manual tracking and ensures nothing gets missed. Automating repetitive tasks is another way to make your workflow even more efficient. By integrating with other tools like Zapier, you can automatically sync tasks across different platforms such as Slack or Google Drive. These automations save you time and reduce errors. Don't forget about setting up approvals within your workflow. You can customize approval processes to fit your team's needs. Whether it's getting a manager's approval before moving forward or ensuring a checklist is completed before closing out a task, Process.st's approval system keeps everything on track. If you want more collaboration and input from your team, Process.st allows you to assign tasks to different team members. This way, everyone knows what they need to do, and deadlines can be managed more effectively. You can also set reminders, so no one forgets their responsibilities. Once you've made all the customizations, be sure to save your workflow as a template. This allows you to reuse it anytime you need it, without having to start from scratch. You can even share your template with other teams or colleagues to standardize processes across your organization. And don't forget, you can always track the progress of your workflow in real time, so you know exactly where things stand. Whether it's viewing task completion percentages or checking who's responsible for what, you have full transparency. Remember, Process.st makes workflow customization simple, even for beginners. With just a few clicks, you can create workflows that are tailored to your exact needs, boosting productivity and reducing errors. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can use Process.st completely for free from the first link in the description below. But wait, there's more. By using the link, you'll also unlock an exclusive extended free trial. So, why wait? Start customizing your workflows today. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the link for that extended trial and start using Process.st like a pro.